Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to see restricted accounts on Facebook Messenger, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger app, and then just simply click on these two lines on the right top left, and here you'll get a gear inside of your Messenger username. Just simply tap on that gear, and here you see the option of privacy and safety. In preferences section, just simply tap on that privacy and safety option, and here you see the option of restricted accounts. So let me highlight that option, this one. Just simply tap on that option. Here it will show you all of the restricted accounts over there. So right now I don't have any restricted accounts. So if you have any restricted accounts, so it will show you over there. So this is how you can see restricted accounts on Facebook Messenger. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below, and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.